So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial we are going to see how to add custom charts in Power BI. So by default, as you can see, there are a very limited number of visuals available in Power BI desktop. So what if we want to add some custom visuals? So let's see how we can do that. So for that, open any browser and type out Power BI custom visuals. Click on the first link. So over here there are many visuals that are available. Let's say we want to install word cloud. So click on this, click on get it now. Over here you have to sign in with your Microsoft account. So once you sign in, a small window will pop up. Over here you just have to select this checkbox and click on continue. So from this you can download this visual. Just click on this download. And as you can see, we have successfully downloaded this custom visual. Let's see how we can import this into Power BI. So let's get back to Power BI. In the visualization pane, there are three dots. So just click on this. And there is option known as import a visual from a file. So click on this. Click on import. And select the file that you have just downloaded. So I will select word cloud. And it is saying the visual was successfully imported into the report. Click on OK. So as you can see, the word cloud visual is there in the visualization pane. So in this way we can add any custom visuals in Power BI. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.